Do you struggle to make small talk interesting? Stay with me for less than 1.5 minutes. I have something interesting for you. First, ask open ended questions because they encourage more than a yes or no response and can start a lively conversation. Second, listen actively because showing genuine interest makes the other person feel valued and more likely to open up. Third, share a little about yourself because it creates a reciprocal atmosphere where others feel comfortable sharing too. Fourth, find common interest because discussing mutual hobbies or experiences can naturally make the conversation more engaging. Fifth, be aware of body language because non-verbal cues can show enthusiasm and maintain a connection during the talk. Sixth, include humor when appropriate because light-hearted jokes can make small talk more enjoyable. Lastly, keep up with current events because having a range of topics to draw from can make you a great conversationalist. Remember, making small talk interesting is about creating a two-way street of engagement that keeps both parties actively involved. Stay tuned for more.